Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Abby here. I am coming to you today with a get ready hair tutorial. So this is a hairstyle that I do when I have really dirty hair, or if I don't have time to curl my hair in the morning, or if my curls are 2 days old and I just need to throw it up really quickly. And I get so many compliments on this hairstyle and it is so easy. So I thought I would show you guys today. So my hair is 2 days old. It's a little dirty. I normally go 7 days, but it's dirty-ish. But no matter how clean or dirty your hair is, you're gonna start with dry shampoo. Dry shampoo just kind of gives it that texture and grit that you need. So I'm just gonna kind of spray this all around my roots and just kind of rub it in to get all that excess oil out of our hair. And it kind of gives your hair more volume. And just kind of rub that in. Okay, now already my hair's already got that, grit to it. And my hair already has pretty good volume, but if your hair does not, I would tease it just a little bit in the back section. So to start this hairstyle, you're only gonna need a clear elastic and then 2 to max 3 bobby pins. All right, to start, I am going to put the elastic on my finger so we can grab it easier. Okay, now I roughly take my fingers and part my hair, leaving some down in my face in the front, and I pull out a lot of hair in the front. Now this hairstyle works easier if you have long layers. If you don't, this can be a little bit trickier. All right, so I'm gonna show you how I parted that in the back. All right, so I just have it kind of midway in a little ponytail here. I'm gonna completely separate that. I'm just gonna make this ponytail a little bit not as thick, so I still have some good amount of hair hanging down. All right, now, super easy, just kind of like midway ponytail. Take it with the elastic and make a super messy bun. And don't pull it all the way through. Now kind of play with it. Pull it up. Kind of pull it out a little bit. And then pull out the hairs. And kind of pull each way, just kind of feeling around for it. Okay? Now, I'm going to take the excess hairs right here. Sometimes I'll even leave them down. I'm going to wrap it around the bun. Take that bobby pin and pin it right there. Keep the hairs up. Just kind of lightly pull out the bun, then pull it tighter. Kind of fluff it up, give it some more volume, and turn back around. Okay. Now, if you don't like how the bun looks in the back, just kind of play with it. Pull it up a little bit more. I like mine pretty high, so I'll bring it up even higher. And I'll pull down some hairs from the side. Then if I still am unhappy with that, I'll grab one more bobby pin. Because I like some hairs hanging out because I think it looks more effortless. Okay. And just have some curls hanging out and just a little bun. And it literally took 12 seconds. And then if I have time, I'll curl these pieces right here, or I'll curl just down here, but I really don't have that much hair hanging out right here. And I kind of just like it hanging down. All right, guys, super simple. And this is what I do when I really don't have enough time. So if you want to see what the back looks like, just super easy, really simple looking. It's really pretty, kind of Pinterest-y looking, and still messy. So I like this on days like on the go. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and please share and tell your friends. Bye guys.